I do.
Oh, there's one there.
There's one here. Lovely. Okay. Take out your fold the towel down. Make sure your hair is that way. So white lotion we're going to use for this, which is a little less oily. Again, applying it with a nice effleurage movement. Nice and continuous. No slappy happies. Okay, so we're going to start on the chest. Come across, down the arm, slide underneath and pull up either side and hold under the occipital ridge. I'm going to lower and slide back. If you're doing that stretch properly, the chin should come up and then down as you lengthen underneath the neck. I'm just going to hold it for a few minutes. So we're nowhere near the hair, which is what the examiner wants us not to do anything on the hair until after we've finished all the skin moves.
Are you tractioning?
I am. So underneath, I'm coming up like that and pulling underneath that occipital ridge. And hopefully the vertebrae then can go click, 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 click. You get that nice stretch. Okay, then we're going to come up onto the face. So the fingertips are just going to anchor onto the cheeks. And the thumbs are going to do a nice firm effleurage across the forehead. And the face can put up with 20 pounds worth of pressure. It's a lot.
No hands in hair then?
No hands in the hair, no. Fingertips are on the cheeks. I'm going to move the middle finger onto the temples. And I was taught to use all sorts of fingers and thumbs on the face, but the examiners really do prefer you to have middle finger. Sometimes it's not firm enough though, in my view. So I'm going to loosen up the temples. I'm going to loosen up the cheeks. And we're working on what muscles? Zygomaticus.
Oh no,
Is it
the
Masseter. Masseter. The buccinator.
the nose.
The pterygoids. Up here we've got the temple. And then we've got the corrugator, haven't we? Of course here. Procerus nasi. start of the frontalis. So here, one of the main ones we're working on is the pterygoids, which open and close jaw.
So do you go several times over these areas?
No, we
Okay.
haven't got time really. And then coming down, and this time I'm going to come up and under the neck. For my own treatment, I would come up and under and all the way through and back on. The examiner hates this because they've got this idea about sebum from the hair, but I think that this is actually too nice a stretch in my own time not to use. So I would suggest that you practice it for yourselves, but we'll cut it out for the exam.
So just go into that thing and then back down.
Come underneath, all the way through, and then back one at a time.
And for the exam?
Yeah, that's what I meant for the exam.
Oh, for the exam, we're coming to there.
And then back.
Yeah. I'm going to turn the head to the left, and now we're in the hair, so now we can't go back on the skin. God, this is tight. Do you get headaches?
No, but I'm always tight up there and shoulders and stuff.
So we're moving the scalp over the skull, so the occipitalis, over the scalp bones. What bones are in the scalp? Parietal, occipital, frontal, sphenoid,
Isn't there an
sphenoid,
Yeah.
ethmoid.
Yeah.
And what muscles do we have in the neck?
You said over the trapezius,
Trapezius is over the top.
scalenes, or we don't have to know those. do we?
Scalenes are in your syllabus.
Levator scapula.
Levator scapula, very good, Ian.
And the splenius.
Splenius capitis. Sounds like a Roman gladiator.
And the
That one in the front.
right,
Sterno,
clidomastoid.
mastoid.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I was going to say.
Can you massage that one?
Yeah. Comes from here. So you can pick it up. That's time.
So when we're doing it, do we go? I mean, we sort of seem to go from the effleurage to the occipital ridge. Should we spend some time on the neck? Or?
You don't have time in your holistic massage
Okay.
to focus too much on the neck
Just
area.
kind of effleurage and into the occipital.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when we put this together in 3/4 of an hour tomorrow, you're just going to see how short it is. And then you've got your oral questions as well
In the same
in,
time?
in that time.
Oh my goodness.
They ask them while you're doing it?
Yeah.
Oh no. Well, we have to think about two things.
Yeah, that's why you need to know your routine so we can move on for oral questions. I'm going to bring it back. And for us at home, we would come down onto the chest and pull all the way through. And for the exam, we're going to come underneath here and pull through
Stay
and not
in
go
the
back
hair.
and stay in the hair. And not go back on the skin.
What is that?
Because they feel that sebum is in the hair and we don't want to take it back onto the skin. I disagree with them completely, but then
Surely when your hair touches your skin anyway, particularly with ladies with long hair, our hair is normally touching our neck anyway.
And you have sebum anyway.
we just had an argument on that.
Oh yeah.
And at the end of the day,